This gonna be the first time I do this. I'm gonna let them do the intro of my video. I haven't let nobody do this yet. Since you want to take over the channel, go ahead. All right, you do the intro.
What's up, YouTube, man? Them a Tahoe right here. You feel me? It ain't nothing too special, but it's on the 26x14s. Tooted off in the back.
Tooted, bro.
When I put the system back there, we really gonna make it toot. I ain't even big yet. I'm on stock keys. Six-inch rough country lift, but I'm trying to go 9-inch so I can sit with my cousin.
Come on,
Okay.
Tell him.
I like that.
Come back here to the back. Show him the tag. I'm from Alabama, but I got one.
Okay. I got that.
The truck 4 times, so technically I am.
Hey.
Exactly.
You feel me? Get at me.
I'm listening.
But that's about it, man. I get at me at the iPad install. I can't show y'all nothing right now because my iPad not in here. But I'll show y'all my little iPad dash, little shit.
That you putting the iPads inside the radio.
Yeah.
They can definitely get at you. You got the wood grain back here.
Feel me?
You see his iPad radio. So this right here be where his 4-wheel drive and his little headlights and everything right there for the switch. This right here is his speed armor, and then right here is his iPad. I don't know how you doing your AC and stuff just yet though.
No, I still got it ran back there. I finished them highs and mids though. You want to hear them?
Nah, not yet, bro. Let's finish the video first. You was taking over the video. Let's get the outside first. We're gonna come back, and he can get you the iPad, get you your motor and everything.
Dash. I can get you the iPad, make your dash, whatever.
Yeah, you do everything for even the newer bodies, right?
Hey, yeah, we work on them too, whatever y'all want.
Okay, I got you, Mr. Aggressive Man. Come on, let's finish this video.
I gotta hit us up. I should have bought one of my bullets too.
Oh Lord.
I should have bought one of my bullets too, but I mean shit. The truck cool. I know my cousin told y'all he had a cam at the house, but I'm gonna let y'all know. He ain't gonna use it, I'm buying it.
Yeah. So, y'all saw in the last video, he said he had a cam. I don't think he's gonna use it, so we're gonna try to get it on this truck right here.
Stage 4 cam on this motherfucker. We're gonna tune it up.
I like Kodak Black over there on the windshield. I see that.
Yeah, they hardcore 26x14s. Ain't none of them curb rash. You feel me? So you gonna have to come correct if you want them.
They are
everything for sale. Yeah, everything for sale. Everything.
I guess it's both of their truck right here. This both y'all truck?
Hell yeah, both of these are trucks.
Family, man, we share.
So
OJ just got this truck probably like what?
Not even a week, probably a week ago.
Yeah, probably like a week and a half ago. So he don't know too much of the truck. He had a cat out before this.
Yeah.
He got this truck built already. So he's telling y'all exactly what he know for now. You know what I'm saying? He don't know exactly everything that's done to the truck because he wasn't on the build it. He got it built already. So what he's telling you right now, this is exactly what he know of the truck.
Yeah, it's pretty much stock. I mean, it's got a little muffler to lead. Ran to the back, motor pretty stock, cold air.
Also, do got exhaust on and everything.
They got a little exhaust where it done, so it sounds good. Shit.
But the question is, you run through about 50 vehicles a year. Are you gonna keep this one or are you gonna what?
Shit. If nobody comment, then maybe.
Okay, I hear you. Look at the duck. Interrupting the video up under there. Look. Little duck up under there. Must enjoy the heat. I don't know. It's too hot out here for that. I don't know what he's doing. We don't know what the last owner then did right here trying to put like, I don't know if this is like wrap or spray paint or I don't know. It looked like aluminum foil they try to put on the crossmember, bro.
Hey, listen.
But look, I'll address it though. You didn't do this. You already got the truck built. So we're gonna do stuff the right way how it's supposed to be. So we will not be doing this. We do not condone this. Oh Lord, that's a 5-star member. Oh my God, we're just gonna throw that out the door. These are stunning members. These are big 4 times, okay?
This what happened when you go on 6s.
That's what I'm saying. We got the same one.
Same one.
Okay. So y'all.
Since your shit ain't falling.
Hey, you know why?
Okay.
You know why? Because we on 6s.
Exactly. I'm telling you. Exactly.
If you ain't on 6s, then where you at?
Exactly. Trying to tell you.
I heard something about the squat. So Tim, when you go squat it, I squat some more.
Oh yeah, if you get me 2,500 likes.
Oh, so look. What keys do you have on here right now?
These stock keys, but they're not even turned up. That's what I'm saying. So I'm finna go.
So you got a lot. You got a lot more room to go. Can you?
Go
Do you have like full U-turns or what right now, or do you rub?
Shit, I rub a little bit at the full turn, but not for real. I mean, I could get where I need to go. But regardless, shit, you know, I be trying to turn when nobody turns.
Yeah. You got to put some roof racks up there.
Hell yeah,
roof racks look good.
Chrome caps, bro.
Yeah.
You need to do caddy tails. Racks.
Caddy racks.
Duh, Mr. Friend. Duh. You think we're just gonna get the same black ones?
Cousin.
Oh my
Hey,
God.
can y'all tell Brevin to please do my wheel lights?
Yeah, I don't understand, bro. So how many wheel lights you got in here right now?
Bro, 3, bro.
And what happened?
Bro, I don't even know. I'm riding this shit thinking
I think it just got lost just now.
Bro, I had to be, man.
All right, so look, like I was saying about the lift, he brought this truck already built, so we don't know what the previous owner did. Looked like he took some WD-40 and tried to like lay it on top of the. But behind it on the actual crossover, it looked purple. Yeah, so I don't know what in his right mind he thinks to. Just go ahead and rip it off, bro. Like, don't rip it off right now, but you know what I'm saying, like soon, because you never know, like if it how it might do. Yeah, I don't know.
Call him out, bro.
Yeah.
Call him out. Who is he?
Alabama people.
Alabama, quit doing that shit. Hey, and quit touching the cats, because when them shits get down here, we get fucked over.
Yeah, okay, so keep the cat like Roberta's on there, huh?
No. I take that back. If you gonna cut the cats, keep them. Don't let the muffler shop keep them. Take your cats, bro, because you never know.
Yeah, you might need them, because we got emissions down here.
Yeah, because the man, he gonna keep your cats, and then when I come in trying to buy cats, he gonna sell me your old cats.
That's what it is, bro. Gotta be honest.
But I got cats now, though, so we straight.
Oh, so you had a separate cat?
No. Cat, I ain't have cats.
Oh.
Remember I was telling you?
Yeah.
You can't do nothing quiet. And they're asking to ride behind me. You can't even compensate while you're in the truck.
Here.
Oh my God. That thing was all down the road, huh?
I can't wait till I go big on here though, but I want to go like 9.5 in the front like the cat up.
So what's your future plans like? What lift kit, what brand lift kit you want to go? You want to go with FTS?
FTS, and I want some 26x16s because Cuzzo's stunting on me, bro.
Bro, I don't think you're going to have the truck long enough to do that, bro, honestly.
That's what I'm telling you. If they comment, shit, come get them.
Bro, why don't you just keep something for once? Just keep it, bro. Like, at least for like a month. Golly, you want to sell it in a week.
Money talk, so I get
Oh my God. Y'all Georgians, man.
It might be worth 10K. Alabama, somebody might pay 13 for it. I just do so his on some rips.
Hey, let me ask you something. You got your title at home?
My title?
Yeah.
Yeah, which one?
Let me borrow for a month, and then you just see if you can have your truck for, at least for a month before you sell it, because you're going to try to sell it, bro.
I'll be calling you tomorrow.
Oh my God, I guarantee when this video go up, somebody gonna hit him up and be like they wanna buy this truck and the truck gonna be gone. So I might as well say, this y'all last time seeing this truck, cause I guarantee I'm not gonna be able to get in on the channel again once.
No. You gonna see it again, cause I gotta put my sub in here. I got a ZV5 I just bought.
Bro, this video probably gonna go up tomorrow. You're slacking if you keep your title in your truck, bro. Bro, keep this inside the house. Don't ever show this, bro. Bro, man, this man right here, you better keep that in your back pocket of your wallet or something. Don't lose that. Keep that out the truck. This man tripping. Hey, you must forgot where we live at. We live in Atlanta. So keep that out your truck. All somebody gotta do is forge your signature. This honestly not the OEM color. Like, I could tell this truck has been painted. I don't know who painted it. They didn't do a bad job though.
Yeah, they didn't do bad. I mean, with the color match, they could have did a little better.
Yeah, like the color matching that, yeah, that's okay. But I'm gonna try to give y'all a review on this truck of what I know, because like I said, he just brought the truck, and from my experience, me having the Tahoe, I'm trying to tell y'all what I know that's done to the truck. I can see that they did paint this right here, color match the pullers, the match the Tahoe, the actual color of the truck. They put some new tail lights on the truck. They did do that.
Some aftermarket ones, like the ones off the cat out with the little, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The LED in it.
They did put these little chrome caps over the window. He got some 26x14. These are actually the wheels I just raffled off. You got some RPBs on here, right? And
them just add a vibe to the truck. On me, you look at that, you see like, hell yeah, that look good.
Stunner members, bro.
Yeah, look good on mine.
I can't complete a video. Stunner members, bro.
Hey, stunner on top.
Stunner members, bro. Can't finish a video because it's stunner members, bro. We just want to keep. Golly, I think you should have got some sleep last night.
Hey.
You burn on what? How many hours? Like I was saying, got some AC15s. You got RPPs tires, right?
Yeah.
All right, so you got some RPPs on here. AC15s. These actually was just raffled off. He got these chrome caps over the window strip. He got the. I heard you about to talk over me again. I heard you now. I heard you now. He got these chrome mirror caps. I don't know. Is this like one big like? Yeah, I never seen that before.
It's different. I kind of fuck with it. Sometimes I think it's too much though.
Yeah, I never seen that before. But he do got that on there. He is gonna get some Cadillac roof racks on here. What you got on the windshield? On the side of the windows. What's your tint?
5. The back one back there like 2.5. And the front is on.
Where do y'all get this 2.5 from? I never heard this before, bro. I thought it was 5, 10, 15, 20, and 30%. I don't know. But he said he got 5 or 2.5, whatever he got on the side. Then he got 20 on the windshield. No, do you got 20?
30 or 35 on the.
So he got 30 or 35 on the windshield.
20 for sure.
He definitely got a upgraded grill. I'm guessing that they wrapped this bow tie.
Probably.
Yeah, they put wrap over the bow tie. I'm guessing the same wrap they used for the crossmember too, but that ain't work out. Yeah. And if he do keep the truck, that'd be nice if he do some color matching down here too.
Yeah,
that'd look real good.
Too. Yeah, hell yeah. I want to do a lot of shit to it. I'm gonna get all the seats re-leather done. I want to do black carpet.
This got a sunroof and everything in it? No. It don't got one? No. Still keep it though, don't sell it.
Yeah, I might.
We do have the whole rough country setup. You got upper control arms rough country, you got the shocks rough country. There's 4-wheel drive.
4-wheel drive do make your truck bigger.
Then the 2-wheel drive.
Yes, 2-wheel drive.
Yeah, because everybody kept asking me like, my truck 4-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, mine's 2-wheel drive. That's probably why mine looks so small compared to other people.
Don't think about 2-wheel drive, you can stack them like a motherfucker.
Yeah, you can do that. But so look, what's your rough country? How you think it drive, bro?
I mean, it drive pretty straight, bro. I'm not gonna lie, for what it is and what it's on. It go down the road straight. Shit, I take it anywhere.
And you got stock in the back. It's stock height in the back, right?
Yeah, it's sitting down in the back. I want to take it lower though if I'm feel me?
Oh, we could do that today. Can we make that happen today?
Nah, listen, my last Tahoe, when I put my subs in there, it started squat even more.
Okay. So we gotta do that. And what sub did you just buy? You just bought a sub. What sub did you just buy?
Sundown.
Huh?
ZV5 Sundown.
ZV5 Sundown. So that thing's gonna be rocking. He only got one, but that one is gonna do the work of everything that he needs.
We'll upgrade the alternator. It's gonna be 2 alternators on it, a whole bunch more.
Oh yeah. See, you be doing the music stuff. You into that
That's
music.
the only reason I got it.
You trying to not breathe in your truck. I'm trying to breathe. What's the question?
It's a 2-for-1 deal. My truck and his truck trade for your truck, but we keep our wheels.
But you keep the 6s on your truck.
So
I get to keep my wheels?
You keep your wheels, but
And I get both of these trucks?
Yes.
Nah.
Nah, you ain't fucking with that?
No deal. No deal. I forgot. We couldn't end the video just yet.
What happened?
I forgot. They wanted to hear the exhaust. I forgot you said you had exhaust done on it, so you gotta hear it. Alright, so I think I ended the video too early. I forgot to let y'all hear his exhaust, so we about to start it for y'all so y'all see what he got. So what's your exhaust setup again?
It's just a muffler delete.
Just a muffler delete?
Yeah, just a muffler delete. And I'm gonna go. You tell me what you think. I'm thinking 6-inch or 8-inch tips coming out the bed.
I think 6-inch, but guess what? I think you should do it the jingle bell way, coming out by the tag.
You gonna have to show me, gang.
The jingle bell, both of them coming out right here. Yeah, like that. Actually, let's go get this done this week, bro.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
I'm trying to let him get my wheel lights done too. I'm trying to tee up.
All right, bet. We're going to do it this week.
All right,
So y'all stay tuned because we're going to go ahead and, if he still got the truck, go ahead and get that done this week. All right, we'll see. All right, you see, that's the end of this video. This is the last short review. I said I had 3 for you. I got 1 more video, so I'm doing 4 videos in one day. I didn't expect this Tahoe to pull up for him to be on the channel today. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to y'all do best. He getting his footage. I don't know what he getting footage of. He just, I guess, enjoying it. So, but make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to y'all do best. Thank you guys for 30K. This is the last short review. Y'all been requesting short reviews for the longest, and I was like, you know what? I got to make it happen. I got to get it back on the channel. Y'all been asking y'all. Y'all been wanting to get different ideas of y'all truck and stuff, so I had to bring it back to the channel. I'm going to continue to do it. I'm going to continue getting these truck reviews. So if you want your truck on the channel, y'all DM me on Instagram at PoppyCrutch. I can make that happen. And I'm out.